Hi guys, it's Tony from A&R Boilers. So today we've been working on this boiler. It's a Fiamma Elektra Combi. So the problem was they had no water, and if you look closer, the pressure gauge was going right up to 3 and they had no water. So basically we sorted out the problems, quite a few challenges really, but we've done them all, and yeah, the customer's happy. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call the customer in and just listen to how happy she is.
These two gentlemen came from Manchester to fix the boiler. Originally the problem was that the water was running cold and the boiler wasn't switching to the warm water or any other function, and now the boiler is absolutely fine and hot water is running from all the taps in the house.
Exactly. So if you want to basically have our services and you live in Wales, because we do cover your area, in fact we cover the northwest on this type of boiler. If you've got this type of electric boiler, yes, we can sort it out.
Just before we go, I would like to show you the 6 service types you can get for free when you become a member of the very important customer club. These are the service types you can start getting for free. A free boiler service. A free boiler repair. A free landlord CP12 gas check. A free replacement boiler. A free 𝐕𝐢𝐝 smart thermostat system. And finally, a free contract. That's on any of our contracts we offer. And we give you all these free services in exchange for your referrals, which turn into business. So click the link in the description below to find out more information about the very important customer club and how easy it is to start receiving our free services.